Ever wondered if the sun takes weekends off? Spoiler alert, it doesn't, but we sure wish it would. Now imagine having an overachieving neighbor who never sleeps. That's our sun. But fear not, because India's first dedicated scientific spacecraft, Aditya L1, is on a mission to uncover the secrets of this ever-busy star. Why? Because understanding the sun's moods and tantrums is key to protecting our planet. So let's buckle up and ride with Aditya L1 as it zips to take a closer peek at our celestial furnace. What does it take to be a solar detective? A cool spacecraft, some high-tech gadgets, and a mission to face the sun head-on? Meet Aditya L1, the Intrepid Explorer from Earth, specially designed to spy on our closest star. Imagine it wearing a pair of gigantic sunglasses, the solar ultraviolet imager, peeking at solar flares without getting dazzled. This isn't just any summer accessory, it's crucial for understanding intense solar activities that can affect us here on Earth. But what about protection from the sun's fiery embrace? Enter the visible emission line coronagraph, or as we like to call it, the ultimate solar sunscreen. This device blocks the bright sunlight, allowing Aditya L1 to observe the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, without getting sunburnt. It's like having an SPF 1,000,000 times stronger than what we'd need at the beach. And don't forget the suite of other instruments on board, each acting as specialized tools in a detective's kit, decoding signals and tracing energy movements across the solar system. Armed with its toolkit, Aditya L1 is all set to unravel the sunniest mysteries. If you thought your summer vacation was hot, imagine taking a trip 1.5 million kilometers closer to the sun. That's exactly what Aditya L1 is gearing up for. This intrepid spacecraft is embarking on an extraordinary voyage to the L1 point, a unique spot where the gravitational forces of Earth and the sun balance each other perfectly. Imagine this. You're on a road trip, cruising through the cosmos with no need to stop for gas or snacks. That's the journey of Aditya L1. Only its destination offers front-row seats to some of the most spectacular solar phenomena. From solar flares to coronal mass ejections, our solar detective is on a mission to uncover the secrets of the sun's fiery behavior. Traveling through the vacuum of space, Aditya L1 is equipped with the most advanced solar observation instruments. Unlike your typical road trip, there's no need for a playlist. The only soundtrack is the silent hum of the universe. No roadside assistance in space, so let's hope our solar detective packed everything it needs. Why does a spacecraft need sunscreen? Well, when you're dealing with 1,000,000-degree plasma, SPF 5000 might just not cut it. Now let's dive into the Aditya L1 mission and its role as a Solar Sentinel. This mission is not just about getting a closer look at the sun, but understanding its intricate behaviors. From the seething solar corona to the explosive solar emissions. Imagine the sun as someone with unpredictable mood swings. These mood swings, in solar terms, are massive bursts of energy and particles that can wreak havoc on satellites and power grids here on Earth. Aditya L1's job? To closely monitor and study these solar activities, acting much like a weather forecaster for space weather. This helps us anticipate and prepare for solar storms that could otherwise catch us off guard. By understanding these cosmic tantrums, we can better shield our technology-dependent world from potential disruptions. Talk about high stakes. So why bother studying a giant fiery ball 93 million miles away? Well, imagine if you could predict when the sun was going to throw a tantrum. That's right, solar flares and coronal mass ejections could be forecasted with the precision of a weather app telling you it's a good day for sunscreen. Enter Aditya L1, our celestial detective, dedicated to peeling back the layers of solar mysteries. This mission could revolutionize how we understand and interact with space weather. Think about it. Better predictions mean fewer disruptions to our satellites. This isn't just about saving a Netflix binge session from the dreaded buffering wheel. It's about keeping crucial communication lines open during natural disasters. And yes, for those who enjoy a good sunbathe, knowing when solar radiation is hitting a spike could be the difference between achieving that perfect tan and turning into a lobster. With Aditya L1, we're not just watching the sun, we're keeping an eye on our future. And who said science isn't cool?